Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gracie's Hot Stuff. Okay, this is how you turn it on. You put it on high fan. Okay, adjust it over here. Max cool. I can hear some sound going on. So this is how it works. There's some button here for the temperature. Some high cool. It doesn't say anything about like a digital thingy here. How much is the temperature? But yes, it does did the job well. This is 5,000 BTU, so it's only for a small room. So yeah, it's cold. It's getting cold really quick, and it's compact. Okie I think this is like enough for fan. Arcticing. Wait 3 minutes before restarting. You have to read the manual. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. And you can also follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog.